Ever wished for an AI that answers any question instantly? From AI explanations to trending YouTube ideas, Deepseek AI chat is incredibly powerful. Let's check it out. Click the link in the description to try it yourself. Once you're on the Deepseek AI website, you can either start now or download the desktop app. I'll go with start now. Now, let's sign up real quick. Click sign up, enter your full name, email, and password. Check your inbox for a verification code, enter it, and click sign up, and we're in. Let's see what Deepseek AI chat can do. First, let's ask, explain how AI generates images. Deepseek instantly breaks it down, explaining how AI models like Stable Diffusion and GANs analyze millions of images to create new ones. Now let's go deeper. Give me 5 trending video ideas in 2025 for YouTube. Deepseek instantly suggests 5 amazing ideas tailored for YouTube creators. Need something technical? Let's try. Write a Python script to generate AI-powered captions. Deepseek not only writes the code, but also explains how it works, making it incredibly useful for coders. And that's how Deepseek AI chat makes AI more accessible than ever. Try it yourself, link in the description. If you found this useful, like this video and subscribe for more AI tools.